guys, welcome to Top Home For You. In today's video I'm going to show you a few tips how you can fix the black screen when you switch on your PlayStation. I've done a video a few months ago when I first got the PlayStation, which I was having the same issue. But if you've done the step as shown before and it's still not working, there is a few settings you could change based on what TV you have, and to see if that will fix the issue for you. But first thing you need to do, if you're stuck on the black screen, press and hold the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then your PlayStation will switch off completely. Then once your PlayStation is completely off, there is no lights showing on the side, you just need to put the PlayStation into safe mode by pressing and hold the power button for about 10 seconds, and you'll hear 2 beep. So I'm just going to press and hold the power button, and that's the first beep. Then keep holding it, and then that's the second, and then you can let go, which will put the PlayStation into safe mode. Once you put your PlayStation into safe mode, you'll get this screen to connect to the USB-C cable to the PlayStation, and then press the PS button to get into the menu. So I'm gonna plug in a USB cable, and then press the PlayStation button to get to the screen. So once you get to that screen, use the arrows up and down to go down to change the video output. And then on my last video I'll show you can only change the HDCP option. So if that you change it to HDCP 1.4 only, and after you reboot it doesn't work, you need to put the PlayStation back into safe mode, and then try and change the resolution. Once you put your PlayStation into safe mode and you don't get any pictures or any image, you need to make sure you're using a high definition HDMI cable. Make sure you check the HDMI cable is connected properly to your TV, because you cannot do anything once if it's not showing anything onto the screen in safe mode. Once you press to change the resolution, the PlayStation will restart. And then at the moment I got it set as automatic. You just need to press the PlayStation button again, and then you can use the arrow up and down to change. Just try 1080p or that's 4K resolution, and see if it will make any difference. So at the moment I don't have the issue, so I'll just leave it as automatic. So, and if that option didn't work, you're still getting a black screen. I've got a Samsung TV, but it might be different for your TV depending on what make and model. There is an option you could change. You just need to go onto the settings. In there, press the settings on your remote, and then make sure your PlayStation is switched off, and then go down to where is the general, and then go to external devices. Try switching off that anytime plus. If you have a newer TV, it will have that option, and the anytime plus HDMI CEC, which will power your PlayStation. Once you switch onto the HDMI source, the PlayStation will automatically switch on. I'll just gonna show you what that does. So at the moment it's on. So if I switch off to the PlayStation, turn off. So this PlayStation is off at the moment. So if I go to the source, and you can see there the PlayStation is showing as off. So once I selected that source where the PlayStation is plugged in, and then press OK, and then the PlayStation will switch on automatically. So that's that option. So you could switch it off there and then power on your PlayStation, and then go to the HDMI port where it's plugged in to see if it will make any difference. As I said, it might be different on your TV. This is a Samsung, might have a different name based on what TV you have. So most of the time it will be a resolution issue where you just need to change a few options on your TV resolution and see which one works for you. It might be a different fix based on your TV make and model. So that's it from me. Do let me know how you get on in the comment section below, and if you have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That's it from me. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you